In a bustling kitchen, the train sets sail. Veggies aboard with a lively tale. Broccoli leads with a smile so green. Carrot co-pilots, swift and keen. Tomato laughs, round and red. Bell peppers cheer in a vibrant spread. Spinach speaks with wisdom so deep. Cabbages roll in a jubilant leap. Past salt mountains and bridges so high. Lake City ahead comes carrots cry. Together they land, their mission clear, bringing joy to meals, spreading cheer. Tomato laughs, round and red. Bell peppers cheer in a vibrant spread. Spinach speaks with wisdom so deep. Cabbages roll in a jubilant leap. Past salt mountains and bridges so high. Lake City ahead comes carrots cry.